पैंथर एजुकेशन में आपका स्वागत है। हम आपके लिए लाए हैं परीक्षा में पूछे जाने वाले प्रश्न पत्र क्लास 6 इंग्लिश। पहला क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, नेम 2 नेशनल फेस्टिवल। आंसर, रिपब्लिक डे एंड गांधी जयंती। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, which game was played in Jagatpur village? Answer, A kabaddi match was being played in Jagatpur village. Question number 3, what was the name of the Iceland? Answer, Lilliput. Question number 4, which game did Tushar's grandfather play? Answer, कबड्डी, कुश्ती, मार्बल्स एंड गुल्ली डंडा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, वाई डिड Kunal's parents scold him? Answer, Kunal's parents scold him for his careless. Question number 6, write the Hindi meanings. First, sacrifice, बलिदान. Number 2, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, संविधान. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, write the English meanings. First, हैरान, सरप्राइज. सेकंड, मज़ेदार, एक्साइटिंग. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, when is Independence Day celebrated? Answer, Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August. Question number 9, what is our national anthem? Question. Answer, Jana Jana Gana Man is our national anthem. Question number 10. Give opposites of the following words. First, teeny, teeny dash big. Second, careless, careless dash careful. 2. Short answer. Type questions. Question number 11. Why did Subhas Chandra Bose reason for the Indian civil service? Answer. Subhas Chandra Bose reason Chandra Bose wanted to participate actually in the freedom movements of India. Therefore, he resigned from the Indian civil service and returned to India. Question number 12. What lesson do you learn from the story? Yes, we can. Answer. The lesson teaches us that we must not feel discouraged by any injury or disability. We must focus on our ability and work hard to get success in it. Question number 13. Whom did Subhi went to give her old toys and clothes to, and why? Answer. Subhi went to give her old toys and clothes to the poor. Children, because it is one of the ways to serve our country. Question number 14. Use the following words in your own sentence. First, careless. इस careless हो जाएगा. Kunal was a careless वाई। सेकंड का हो जाएगा प्ले, नेवर प्ले ऑन रोड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 सॉरी। व्हाट डू दी make little drops of water, little grains of sand, little movements, little deeds of kingdom kindness. Answer little drops of water mixed oaken, little grains of sand, pleasant land, little moments mixed as three. Long answer type questions. Question 16. Who said to warm the following statements? Answer A. I should eat. Devdutt said to Siddharth. B. You should be kind to birds and animals. Siddhartha said to Devdatta. C. I will not give you this bird. Siddhartha said to Devdatta. D. It is Siddhartha's birds as he saved it. King said to Devdatta. Question number 17. Write the Hindi में meanings of the poem The Rainbow. एक आपको फेयरलेस एक पोएम लिखनी हिंदी में, हिंदी रैम्बो पोएम की आपको हिंदी बनानी है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. राइट एन एप्लीकेशन, एक एप्लीकेशन लिखनी इंग्लिश में प्रिंसिपल के नाम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 90. ट्रांसलेट इनटू इंग्लिश. कभी सड़क पर मत खेलो, कभी सड़क पर मत दौड़ो, कभी समूह में मत चलो, कभी यातायात नियमों को मत तोड़ो, कभी बस से मत दौड़ो, कभी चलती बस पर मत चढ़ो, कभी अपने हाथ या सिर बाहर मत निकालो, कभी कभी मत चीखो चिल्लाओ। आंसर, नेवर प्ले ऑन द रोड। सेकंड, नेवर रन across, never walk in groups, never break the traffic rules, never jump from the bus, never catch a running bus, never put your head or hands out, never well scrum और इसी के साथ हमारा क्वेश्चन पेपर समाप्त होता है। वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। पेपर में कोई गलती हो तो कमेंट ज़रूर करें। धन्यवाद, शुक्रिया।